Hey, what's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I ain't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, and I'm back with one of them things that go on top of your noggin, get slapped with something real quick. If you talking your shit, you know what I'm saying? We hanging out, man. I got a little bro with me, I already know. Come this way, goat. Come this way, young goat. You know what I'm saying? I call my, you know, like I say, anybody that's working, anybody that's grinding is a goat to me, but I'm gonna make sure I let my dog get a shout out. What? Oh, that son ain't gonna block you, but turn this, there you go. Go that way, let me see, there you go. Good. Yes, sir. Right. Tell them who you is, fella. You already know
Smiley Mitch, man. I got a lot of shit coming out. Tune in, follow me, subscribe, all that shit.
We're gonna get them and say, hit them with a like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
There you go, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Today we are out here with Jacksonville Jeep Mobb. Y'all probably seen me put them on the channel. Anytime you see Jeeps on my channel, that's a whole car club right there. And today they got an event that they putting together. I don't even know. I ain't even read the flyer for real. I just seen event content. Go get it. But we're not gonna worry about that, y'all. Do we get this content? We get this grind on. You know, we gotta make this happen. How y'all doing today? So we're gonna walk through the front side of this joint, see what they got. I told you I would do a Jeep build, bro. Just cause when they be riding with them doors off, that joint be pressure. Huh? Yeah, and it look fun. But yeah, man, so here we go, man. Y'all see this thing, let's just go. Hey, and then when you got a Jeep, people could call you and say, hey, I'm stuck in the mud, come pull me out. Cause you get rigs and shit like that right there. That look legit though. You see it? Facts. And they got a speaker up there. And I see the American flag. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's the American flag in there. I like that. That's splatter painted wheels. I wonder what, like, you know how when we're building up our motors, I wonder what it costs to like lift up a Jeep, get it with the big mud tires. They got the real deal on these joints right here. They must be saving people. Huh? I see that thing. That was big for it. Everything. I think all Jeeps gotta get for it. You can't have nothing tucked in for real. But they got their whole setup in there. I see an amp. They be booming. Yes, sir. I think I told y'all I think we seen this one at Dash Out Car Meet earlier this year. I like this color scheme. That gray and red hit differently. You know what I'm saying? That's big pressure. Charisma. Yes, sir. They do got a nigga on the highway. This gangster, we got a light set up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I done seen this one before too. Y'all seen. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, cause I be like, he a gaming with the damn. Yes, sir. Hey, I like those, brother. Them hard body. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see the off-road joints right there? Huh? Oh, I see it. Hey, you see I tagged that boy with that shit? I like that color. Look like, remember when you used to be a kid or the baby, when the baby shit, they leave that color green doodle? That's what it look like. But it's smooth on the car because it look like a military color. Like I had to go with I do that black and then I do that light cream color. That'll make that bit pop. Then y'all know the Black Panther thing got here. He put some work in on this joint. Feel it look bulletproof. It's something different about it though. I think the wheels different. They got them out here though. A lot of bit pressure. Rubicon. Hey, get the Rubicon with the 392 in it. You really doing something. You can get a Hellcat motor in the mud. Yes, sir. I thought they was gonna do like a limited amount of the Jeeps with the Hellcat motor, but you can get it with a 392 in there. The dot. Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Case by T. Cinnamon stick. Yes, sir. My mama stepping. How you doing? I like this. I like this. This all black go crazy. Yes, sir. This pressure. Y'all see? Ooh, why they so clean though? Y'all see that? Why they so clean? All right, gang. I figured it out. So I had it wrong. It is. I just bit my tongue. Black people. Ah, shit. That hurt a little bit. No, it is an event inside the club that is the day party. The cars are just posted. Man, so we done walked in. I showed y'all the inside, what the vibe was like on the inside. Then I ran to the big homie. Shout it out, brother.
Yes, sir. You already know what the fuck going on, man. It's like crank visuals. I'm out here supporting my girl, Top Clip Visuals. She out here doing her thing. We out here just supporting, you know what I mean? Just trying to get to it.
Yes, sir, Ski. That boy Drippy. Y'all see that, man? Y'all know I like when the gang turn up a little bit. And you see. Yes, sir, man. But I seen that round thing pull up. I gotta go get that. Y'all see that green on there? That bit go crazy. I thought it was. That is a TRX. I'm like, I thought that was a TRX. It is.
Yeah, he did that.
That's the All In Motorsports dude?
I don't know. Give me the one. Give me the one.
I think that's him. But y'all see that Gomego thing looking good right there. You know what I'm saying? That sun got it shining, shining. But yeah, man, how you ever been in one of these events?
This is my first time really being like in a room. Like, it's nice though.
Oh, just inside this club?
Yeah.
Oh, Rome's got that grown people vibe for real.
That's
like,
what I be on.
Yeah, you ever look at on Friday night? That's what I tell them broski. Friday night, Saturday night, you pull up, it's a vibe. They play the old school jams and shit.
You know me, bro, I do the resale now too though. So I got the Africa, PSDs, all that.
Okay.
Tommy Polo.
Wait, what's your Estiga price?
I got 1 for 20, 2 for 40, 3 for 50. What you got?
That's a deal. That's a deal. Cause the one is 25, 2 for 50, 3 for 75. You get all the sizes?
I got it. What size you need?
I do. I think it's the 1X joint.
I got 1X right now only.
Wait, I ain't shopping right now, bro. Hey, I just had a pack come in.
I just took some pictures. I'm about to post them.
Okay.